It should never be incomplete. You got an off corner, easy hitch route, step and throw. So either the route was deep or the throw was too short and too quick.
Second and 20. Kaiser dumps it over to the middle of Fuller, who all of a sudden has made his presence known.
Brian Kelly said that they were going to move Will Fuller around tonight, try to do some different things to get him loose so that the double teams couldn't happen. The crossing the field routes have been his best opportunity to run away or run out of a double cover. He just comes up underneath and keeps coming all the way across the field, running away from his defender.
There's an example of that press on Fuller that Don Brown, the defensive coordinator, said would happen, giving Fuller a little shot as he came off the line.
But if he releases upfield, there's always a safety over top helping out. When he releases across the field, someone else has to find him to pick him up.
So Fuller gets some of it back, but it's still third and long. They need 11. And they get it, no. Not able to hang on is Fuller. Gabriel McClary, the talented sophomore corner that Don Brown loves, was on the coverage and gave Fuller a smack.